Molds are usually not a problem in a house, unless mold spores land on a wet or damp spot and begin growing. Molds have the potential to cause health problems. Molds produce allergens and irritants. Inhaling or touching mold or mold spores may cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Allergic reactions to mold are common. Molds also cause asthma attacks in people with asthma who are allergic to mold. In addition, mold exposure can irritate the eyes, skin, nose, throat, and lungs of both mold allergic and non-allergic people. It can be difficult for a homeowner to find mold. The key to controlling mold is finding the water problems causing the mold growth. While I'm here, hire me to perform a mold and moisture intrusion inspection on your house. I'm an InterNACHI certified mold inspector.